We love to eat greens all throughout the seasons, so we grow greens all throughout the seasons in lots of different ways, indoors and outdoors. And certainly in the winter, we have some really fun indoor strategies that are really simple so that you too can be enjoying greens even in the depth of winter. I'm Petra here at Fruition Seeds, and this is your cordial invitation. I'm sharing a whole free webinar on how to grow greens indoors, lots of different strategies over the winter. So I'll be looking at all those different strategies, the pros and cons of each. I'll also be taking you step by step through how to grow your own baby greens and microgreens at home. And I'll also be sharing a sneak peek of the first seeds that we start in spring and why and how. So I'm delighted to share all of these things with you. There's so much to learn, and I've learned so much through joy and great success, and also through abject failure. And I'm delighted and honored to share it all with you. So here are the details. It's January 7th, and it is at 7 o'clock is live. But if you can't join us live, simply register anyway, and I'll share the instant replay with you. And you can watch it anytime at your convenience. So even if you can't join us live, definitely join us in the registry, and you will get all of the goodies. I'm making a whole ebook for everyone as well on how to grow microgreens. So I'm delighted to share all of this with you for free because it brings me so much joy in my life, and I would love to surround you with that beauty and abundance as well.